All right, now the instructions say we're going to put these back panels off. Basically just put them right here. So let's get a few nails at a time. We're going to go ahead and line this edge up first. It's the first thing. I put both of them on there and kind of did a dry fit. That's what it's called. You do a dry fit and you make sure that they line up before you nail them. Just to make sure, just to double check, it's always good to do a dry fit. I'm gonna go ahead and do here. All right, before we do that, let's go ahead and stick the other piece on. This is the dry fit I was talking about. There we go. Okay, now we know this is how we want it, so we're going to stick another one in the end here. Okay, now we take this off so we know that's going to fit perfectly when it's time for that to go on. And go to town from there. See if we can get it in one. Ready? Got it. Learned that from Mr. Miyagi. Karate Kid Part 2. One more here. Ready? Focus. Got it. Focus. Got it. So I'm going to do the other side, then we'll get back to building the top section. So this is the bottom section. We're going to build another little box to go on top, and then I think we're going to attach them together is what's going to happen. So, all right guys, so here is the cabinet. Or the first half of the cabinet is in place, and so we're going to go ahead and put together the second part that's going to go right on top here, and I guess attach, maybe these screws attach, I'm not quite sure yet. This guy's going to be like this. This is going to be like this. So we're going to pop these. Another thing you could do, if you don't want to try to get these dowels in sideways, is you can lay this on the floor and then put them in like that, and then turn it back over together if you're having a problem putting them in this way. I just get one in, then find the other one, pop, pop. Let's get a screw so that holds. Sticking. And then this one is actually correct on the instructions. It shows it facing inward, so that's good. Oh man, there we go, the top's in. There we go. I had to muscle that one a little bit, so that's okay. Alright, so let's get these screws in. Alrighty. Then we're going to attach this to what we got, K, so we got H. It's going to face inward. Focus, look at it. Good, did it. All right, we're back with our pantry cabinet. So this is the bottom part. We built that first. This is the top section. Now we're going to attach the two. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. We're going to attach those in, attach the doors, and put the shelves on, and we're going to be all done. So switching back to a number 2 Phillips head bit. Nice and snug. These are number 10 screws, right? All right, we got all our screws attaching the two. So we're just gonna take this little end here. I'm gonna pop that into the hole. Now in order to get this top one on, we need to hold that down, slide it in. I'm gonna let the thing slide around until it pops in. There we go, one cabinet. There guys, here's the other side. So, I'm gonna pop this in. Go ahead and pop that right into the hole. Hold this down. Then you can kind of glide it around until you get to the hole, and it'll just kind of snap in there. Once you hear that snap, you're ready. Okay, so we have another door. Pop this in. Let me show you guys. So there's a little hole. This thing just pops right into the hole. We're going to go ahead and hold that down. I'm going to kind of glide around until it pops to the top. Now it's in. That's it. Now hold this one down. Just kind of fish around real soft until it falls right in there. And there you go. Magnets are all pretty good. There's no way I can put them in like this. Right, so I gotta hold them up at an angle and then just fall on there. We're going to clean up the cabinet, load it with food, and then I'm going to attach the supports. A good little trick my wife found is take a piece of, what is this?
Dryer sheet.
Dryer sheet. A dryer sheet, and you just kind of wipe it down with that. Hopefully some will cling to it. This is sawdust from the screws. Hi guys, here's a little video of our cabinet with stuff in it. We got these old school classic containers right here. I love these Tupperware, right?
70s.
A little fleur de lis on them. Can't find those anymore. Scored those somewhere. Yard sale or something, I think. Alright everyone, that concludes our pantry cabinet build. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe learned some helpful tips. And if not, I hope you just enjoyed watching me put things together. So once again, appreciate that. And please give me a like and a follow if you can. I'd appreciate that as well. Helps me get noticed on YouTube for more people to see my videos. And until the next one, I have a whole list of little videos I'm going to make with tips, tricks, builds, and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned. We're going to be going over a lot of painting and building techniques and tricks for you guys. So see you soon.